Hey guys, it's Aaron here. So today I tried to ride the Rhino like yesterday, and I was gonna give you a run video. Yeah, my front pulley, my driver pulley, was in the, dropped. So that was cool. Anyway, so Bill, who I got this from, welded the thing, which wasn't the brightest idea to me. Now, to get a new pulley on there, to get a new pulley on there, guys, I have to cut somehow all this off, this big glob, without hitting this. And yes, it is dirty. I don't think I have a leak. I never saw a leak. That's what it looks like under there, though. Freaking nasty. I didn't feel like recording because I was too lazy. I don't have a cameraman or anything like that. So there's the engine out of it. I kind of got it tipped over. Yes, guys, I drained the oil so I wouldn't mess up the motor. Pretty dumb, but I did that dumb. I'm smart with this, guys. So tomorrow, I'm gonna take my grinder. Yeah, I know I have the wire brush. I'm gonna wire brush the whole thing. Should might do that tonight, but I have to charge my battery, which there he goes right there. Cool. You guys didn't see that last point. What I have to do is charge this battery tonight, clean this up, then take my wire wheel, and you guys probably will see this, because I probably will mess up, is I have to cut this up like this. And guys, I have like a couple parts like for working on my truck, and another part for something else. I don't care right now. I think I'm just gonna not delete them, but like kind of throw them away. I'm not, unless you guys want me to. Actually, the working on my truck's out of the question, because I just deleted it from my phone. It was taking up all my space. But yeah, how do I approach that? I'll probably upload this tomorrow. Then I'll show you guys the same, that upload. I'm probably going to be uploading a good amount now, because probably whenever I want to record, I'm going to record and upload it. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm looking for, because you don't want a metal scraper, let my mom have one. Can't let you guys look in the little apartment. There might be one in the thing. It's this quick video, which I haven't yet. I just ran out of space because the phone sucks. Space. Oh my god, guys. Heavy hell. No. And I can't look at it. Fuck. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna scrape this all off. And do that. If you want a more detail, go to Fearless Front. Engine, there's two parts for him. The engine Fearless Front is his YouTube name. And it's called Engine Swap Part 1 and Part